Hey Fox, do you want to download the channel art for your channel or any other YouTube channel? Watch this video and you will learn how to do this. So first of all, let's learn how to download your own channel art. This can be done easily if you go to this URL, photos.google.com, and log in with the account from where you wish to download the channel art. So this is the account of my YouTube channel, which has also my YouTube channel, and here is my channel art. This is the full resolution channel art for my channel, for my YouTube channel. Now, if we wish to download other YouTube channels channel art, we go to the YouTube channel from where we wish to download the picture, click inspect on the channel art. I move this video from here, and in the right side you will see style. If you click inspect right on the picture, scroll down until you see this kind of tag, YouTube channel banner. Copy its content, paste it into a notepad, remove the parentheses from the end and the URL and parentheses from the front, and remove every backslash by replacing backslashes with blanks. And you will see that you will get a full URL. If you check this URL, you will see that you have the channel art, and this is the full channel art URL. Okay, so this is all for now. This was just a short video showing you how to get YouTube channel arts for any YouTube channel, and also for your YouTube channel the nice way using Google Photos. Yeah, subscribe to this channel, smash the like button if this video helped you, and until next time, bye bye.